This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Kenmore Elite dishwasher that we want to get the diagnostic codes out. So we're going to do a pretty cool little programming trick here. We're going to press any three buttons. We'll press 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And then we'll close it. Any of the three buttons, you just have to press them in sequence. And then once you press them in sequence, you can close it. It can't be any more than 1 second in between keystrokes. So you press a button, next button, then press again. Same sequence, button, 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 then press again, button, button, button. And then close the door, open it. It'll give you a code, and then press start. I'm taking a picture of the code. Press start, and then close the door again, and then when you open it, it'll give you another code, and then open the door, press start again, close the door, open it, and every time you do that, it'll give you a new code, and these codes are stored in the computer's memory, and they can go back pretty far, but they're giving you error codes that the dishwasher has experienced throughout its life. So it might be problem draining, it might be a clogged spray arm, but pretty easy to retrieve the codes. You just start with the dishwasher door open, power is on, and you press any three keys in order: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with no more than 1 second in between. And then all the LED lights will turn on. And when you close the door and open it, you should have one of the codes, and then press start, close the door, open it, another code, open the door, press start, close the door, open it, another code. And then there's actually a really cool text sheet that you can get online, or you probably would find it in the kick panel that you remove at the bottom of the dishwasher. Here's the kick panel with the sound insulation, and in between the insulation there was a little envelope that had the text sheet, and it has all the different codes. And this is what the codes look like. I'll take a picture of each one that I pulled up. F5E1, the next code was F8E4, and so on. And then you can just look up what those codes mean. F stands for failure, E is for error. So I hope that helps you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks again for watching.